I have a flying display screen and I want to show you how to do the mapping if you have experienced some issues with the mapping like what I'm experiencing right now. Let me show you what I'm experiencing. This is what I'm experiencing. You cannot see the light. You can just see the light on few leads. This issue is caused by mapping. I'm going to do the mapping, use the lead setting software to fix this issue. Before you go to the software, you need to connect your A35 master controller to your PC. You connect on the configure this cable and you connect to your PC. After connecting your master controller and slave controller to your flying display screen and to your computer, let me show you how to do the mapping using the lead setting software. On the software, you click on screen configuration and you need to put a password is 168. Then you go on device information and click on detect device. Now you can see I have my device. Then the next thing, you go on receiver parameters. On the receiver parameters, you need to check the IC chip. This is the driver or lead mesh. And the other thing which is important to check is the grayscale. You need to put on the last number, which is 65536. After you check everything is okay, then you press read back. Then you click read back, then you go on receiver mapping. This receiver mapping, you can see that we have our mapping from the previous. Let me delete everything and show you the new mapping. Now let me show you the new setting mapping. On this interface, do the settings on the standard. On the receiver count, on the column, if you are using a lot of lead mesh, maybe you have 3 lead mesh. If I change here on the column, you can see on the number is now we are having on 1 lead mesh, and you can see we're increasing the columns. So if you have 5 lead mesh, if you are connected to the row, it also goes the same like this. So on this case, we are going to connect our lead mesh in the column. I have a total of 5 lead mesh which are connected in a column. On selected receiver information, that's where you put the pixel number of your flying display screen or your lead mesh. So let me just do one flying display screen just for the demonstration. So I'm going to use a flying display screen with 50 leads width and 168 leads on the height. So let me change my numbers, 50 and 168. After you select the number, then you go on click on this mapping interface which you done. Then you go on send the information. Now you're sending the information to the receiver. I send, then you click saving to the device. So now I have successfully done with the mappings. That's how you do the mapping using this lead setting software for the ColorLight controller for your flying display screen. After doing the mapping, you can see the lead mesh is working perfectly. No glitches or no strips which are not working perfect. If you experience that some of your strips are not working, first do the mapping again with the lead setting software to fix this issue. At Rose Lighting, we don't just sell the product. We assist with after sale service, engineering service. For reliable service and products, get in touch with Rose Lighting.